Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create a PowerPoint presentation in a flash. Whether you're prepping for a class, a work meeting, or even a personal project, ChatGPT can make the process smooth and fast. Let's jump right in. Here are 3 quick methods to create presentations using ChatGPT. The first method is to generate your content, organize it in Word, and then paste it into PowerPoint. The second one is to use content, and then automate slide creation with a simple VBA code. Finally, install the extension and use prompt templates. Let's start with generating content using ChatGPT. Just type in your topic and ask for an outline. Telling Chat to create a 10 slides presentation on topic mindfulness and mental health, and to act as a psychologist. Please note the prompt I wrote to generate the slides. As you can see, ChatGPT quickly provides us with a structured outline, introduction, key points, and conclusion. Perfect, right? You can even ask for detailed content for your slides. Now that we have the content, let's move it to Word. Why Word, you ask? Well, it's a great tool to organize your text, add any additional details, and proofread. Keep source formatting, delete slide numbers, and format the content. Click View option, then Outline. Now you can level up the content by specifying the levels, as in the screen. As we have the elaborated content in Chat, we can copy the same to Word and level up the data, and close the outline view. Make sure everything looks just right before we move to the design phase. Now, let's jump to PowerPoint. This is where we'll bring everything to life visually. Start by selecting a clean template or design that fits your topic. I recommend keeping it simple yet visually appealing. Click on New Slide, then Slides from Outline. Select the Word document we prepared. Time for those finishing touches. PowerPoint offers great options for animations, transitions, and slide designs that can make your presentation truly stand out. You can check the design option for the desired one, and designer option to make it attractive. If you cannot see designer option in design, check the same in help, as you see in the screen. And there you have it. With the help of ChatGPT, Word, and PowerPoint, you can create a well-organized, professional presentation in no time. Now go ahead, give it a try, and let your next presentation shine. Now let us see how to combine ChatGPT, VBA code, and PowerPoint to automate and create dynamic presentations in no time. Ask Chat to generate the VBA code specifying the topic with number of slides and how it should act. Please note the prompt written here. Now, here's where the magic happens, using VBA code in PowerPoint. You can automate the entire process of creating and populating slides with the content we got from ChatGPT. It's like having your presentation assistant. In PowerPoint, open the VBA editor by hitting Alt plus F11. Now, we can write code that automatically generates slides, sets the titles, and even adds bullet points from the content. If you face any challenges in creating the presentation, right-click on the menu to get the Customize ribbon option, then select the Developer option. Now that our slides are generated, we can move on to polishing them. You can add images, customize the design, and make sure everything flows smoothly. Remember, even though VBA automates the structure, you still want to add visuals and ensure that the design complements the content. And there you have it. Using ChatGPT for content generation, VBA to automate slide creation, and PowerPoint to pull it all together, you can create dynamic presentations quickly and efficiently. Apron for ChatGPT is a Chrome extension that offers predefined prompt templates that supercharge ChatGPT's ability to generate content for you. Now, let's create a presentation. Say you want to make a PPT on the future of artificial intelligence. With Apron, you can find prompt templates that will quickly generate everything from slide outlines to detailed content. Here's an Apron prompt for a presentation outline. I'll type in my topic and let ChatGPT generate VBA code for that. Now we can follow the process of copying the VBA code in PPT, as we saw in the earlier